Maayong gabi or buntag. Depende kung kanus animo matanaw. Ako si Madam Muning, ang inyong mananagna nga murag iring. Meow. O kini ang Madam Muning Monthly Horoscope for September 2025 by Madam Muning. Aries. Karong September, you will have a fruitful growth, personal growth, dili growth nga murag ingrown. You will attain personal growth, but there is a hangman. So, ang nagababag sa imuha is you are feeling down. Fear of ma-down ka, like ma-fail ka sa usa ka situation sa imong life karong September. Usa, ang pamaagi ana para maka-attain ka og personal growth is kailangan nimo nga mo step up sa imong mga kahadlok sa imuhang sarili. Taurus. Major Arcana nga the Moon. Girl or boy, kailangan nimo mag-trust sa imong intuitions para makamit ang imong mga damgo. And also, Four of Swords. If pag-uban, ang meaning sa Four of Swords is rest. You need to relax yourself. You need to be chill for a moment kay basig na ana siya'y lain. Katulog sa bayot, basig nagdalulura ka. Wow. Gemini. Karong September na akay Three of Wands, meaning taas kag paglantaw sa imong success or growth sa imong sarili. Pero naapog kay the Sun in reverse, meaning sa imong ka-excited na overshare nimo ang imong mga plano ug dili siya mahitabo. Butang di malas ba. Cancer. Sama sa kong zodiac sign. The High Priest in reverse. Bayat. Imong ginasuppress imuhang mga intuitions o saputun ka karong bulana. Pagbantay lang kay daghang mo abutay nga celebrations or mga meet-up sa mga barkada. Leo. Knight of Pentacles. Karong bulana bayat. Very oriented ka. Very willed. Daghan kag plano. And also you are a hardworking karong bulana. Pero you are paralyzed. You are stuck in a place. You isolate yourself to anyone to the social world. And that is not a good thing. That you're feeling you are stuck in one place. Pero dagan kag plano this September. Everything will gonna go on your plan, but you're just feeling stuck. Virgo. Karong bulana is Five of Pentacles ka, which means you will going to have to undergo hardship. You will lose everything. Why? Due to Page of Pentacles. You are insecure. You are emotional vulnerable and you're feeling that bugat siyang feeling for me actually. Kaya na-feel na ko ang heaviness sa imong ginadala right now. Page of Cups is a strong energy and dili siya mabambang siya. So yeah, I want you to, dapat ika vulnerable sa mong sarili. Dapat i-reverse mo na siya. Everything i-reverse, okay? Libra. Karong September is Queen of Wands. Ikaw, he or she, makabati og selos and more on strict. More on, in command. Gusto mo nga ikaw tanang tama. Why? Due to Ten of Swords. It is because of your traumas in your past life. Mga learned lessons nimo mo nahimo kang ani nga person this September. And also, it is also your relapse, like naga-relapse ka, moing anak ka. So, I suggest na i-reverse nimo na siya. Dapat hindi na nimo siya buhaton. Scorpio. Karong September, you are having a Three of Cups. It means you're going to isolate yourself and having an imbalanced social life. Why? Because of Ace of Cups. As you can see, Ace of Cups means you're having your emotional awakening. So, bali, you're focusing on your emotions this September. It may be a reason for love, creativity, and for other things. Sagittarius, or for you. Karong September, Page of Wands ang imuha. This signifies as fresh idea, fresh starts. You have energetic kay ka karong September. More on extroverted kay ka. More like you're an extrovert person. Ganon. What? Sorry. You also have the Fool in reverse. It means recklessness, clumsy, and everything is you're on careless kay ka. So, I suggest is i-minimal lang na itong pagka-energetic para dili kayo careless. Okay? Capricorn. Karong September is you having a reverse card of Ace of Cups. Means you're having a repressed emotions, like imong ginadibdib. Mga ginadibdib na emotions. You're also having coldness, like di ka mo pagka-coldness for many reason, like cold na ka nga tao. Ma-cold person ka this September, in short. Why? We have a reverse of Seven of Swords. This indicates that there is a truth that has been revealed for you this September. Also, you're having an imposter syndrome, and yeah. Aquarius. Karma. You're having a heart of karma. So this September, you must have to ensure that you will have your self-evaluation. Kumbaga, renewal. And also, you You must trust in your intuitions. I will say this to you. You will have a very nice life. You must need to self-evaluation. You're this. Reverse of Seven of Swords. So mag-self-evaluation ka. What's blocking you? It's the Seven of Swords means you're having, taas ka kagdaw ka problema. Like, for you is, you're having a guilt na yung gina-overthink. That's blocking you for your self-evaluation and also renewal because of guiltiness. Pisces. For Pisces, you have a Knight of Cups. This indicates as your moodiness this September, and also you're becoming unrealistic. So, you are, wala ka sa reality plane, you're having an other plane. Or, naaka sa imong mga imaginations lang gastambay. And it really is something. Why? Moodiness ni siya nga card, which is reverse man siya, tapos ni the cups is emotions. Why? Due to Empress. The Empress is, it becomes of motherhood or nasa sa mong hormones. Hormones? Babae ka ba yan? Hormones, and also for your nurturing. Like, you nurture your surroundings, mga moodiness ka, kay it's what's you becoming empathetic. And yeah, that's what's blocking you. Og, maura to ang tanan. Ang tanang cards, ako, giingon. What resonates you will going to absorb it. And what that doesn't resonate is, you need to change it. Also, believe or not, it's up to you. Only the good things rise to fans. Og ako si Madam Muning, og kini ang Madam Muning monthly horoscopes for September 2025. See you next month, mga higa.